Okay, in this video, we're going to determine the slope of an equation. And the equation we have is 8x minus 2y equals 10. Except that isn't in the proper format. It needs to be in the format y equals mx plus b. So what we have is 8x minus 2y equals 10. Well, we could just scoot the 10 over and put it where it needs to go because it's on the correct side of the equal sign, which is the right side. And this 8x needs to be moved. It needs to be moved from right here to right here. So we actually just subtract it from both sides in order to move it. Or if you could remember, you could just say to yourself, whatever it is on this side, it becomes the opposite sign of that on the other side. Okay? And then you have to divide everything through by a -2. Those clear out. You have a 1y, which is just y. This turns into a +4, and this is a -2. And they were asking us for the slope, and now that it's in the proper format, the slope is right here beside the x. So your slope is 4. Thanks for watching.